Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm doing the November unboxing of Witch Casket. It has been stuck in the mail system for approximately 2 months, and I finally received it, so I'm going to be doing that unboxing today. And here it is. I took the stickers off, and I'm just going to open the plastic bag. Get that out for you. And as always, sorry about the crinkly noise. It's probably pretty loud in the microphone. I've been waiting for this for, like I said, 2 months, and I finally get to open it today. So we'll get rid of the plastic. And here we are. Finally, what do we have? Ooh, Letting Go, November 2024. Now, I haven't peeked at any of the videos that are circulating on YouTube or online. So this is all new to me. I haven't seen any of it. And this will have all the spoilers in it, so I won't go through it right now. But it looks like we've got herbs. Some really nice illustrations there. Nice bright colors compared to October's, which was Halloween. So I'm going to set that right there if it will cooperate. And our art card for the month. We have the full moon, butterflies or moths. I think Luna moths. And the monthly manifestations there. It's been so long since I filmed a video, I almost forget how. Okay, and cord cutting ritual will be our spell for the month of November. It contains all you need to rid yourself of bad habits, a person, situation, or emotion which no longer serves you. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have our art card on the front with the lunar moths. Very pretty. And then our spell on the back there. Or the ritual on the back. Now, you can see I'm going to have a lot of trouble with these standing up. I'm going to try and keep them in view for you. I might have to use a few helpers here. It's pink tourmaline. I just got that one. So in here we have 2 black candles and a black string. And that's it for that. And of course the ritual will be on the back of the card there. It's kind of fitting there. Now I hope I am talking loud enough for you to hear me. And then we've got this beautiful velvet pouch with the butterfly on it. I'm so excited. It's been such a long time. Oh, wow. We have scissors. Those are really nice. I like those. And they have sun, or they have star and moon symbols on them. Really faintly there. Take you in for... Sometimes when I zoom in, you can see stuff better. There you go. That's those. And there's a card in the bag as well. And ornate altar scissors. These enchanting altar scissors can not only be used to cut your cords for spells such as not magic, They have many other uses, both physically and symbolically, in rituals for unbinding, cutting, or breaking. A nice illustration on the back there. So hopefully that's in focus for you to read. There we go. So I'll set that there. Those are very nice. And then there's a box, Letting Go Herb Blend, a magical blend of angelica, dandelion leaf, and lemon balm. So use this magical herb blend for any spell or ritual related to letting go and moving on. Use to dress or encircle candles, add to charm bags and spell jars, or use in ritual baths, etc. Very cool. Very nice. Very light floral scent for that one. So we'll set that one there. And then we have another box, sandalwood incense cones. Sandalwood is one of the first scents that I was introduced to when I was just a child. We were candle making at my grandmother's house, and sandalwood was one of the scents that she had, and it was one of my absolute favorites. A traditional cleansing incense burned to banish negative or stagnant energies, for use with incense holders and ash catchers only. There's your safety information. And I'm going to open it and have a smell because it's been so long since I smelled sandalwood. There you have your cones. Yeah, definitely sandalwood. I remember that smell. Brings back a lot of memories, actually. So I'll set that there. And we have a big, and I know what this one is. This is Amazonite. I like Amazonite. And our art card. Amazonite. Amazonite is a gentle stone of truth, compassion, and kindness. It helps you to communicate your truth and soothes tense situations. Amazonite balances the nervous system and encourages you to move forward without fear. And if you hold this up to the sun, Amazonite has a slight sheen to it. But yeah, no, that's pretty nice. I like that. I have actually quite a collection of Amazonite. I'm just going to adjust down a little bit here so you can see what I'm putting down here. Limited space as usual. And another box here. Witch Casket exclusive magical spell candle holders. Okay. I guess that's self-explanatory. Let's see what we've got. Okay, and they're tissue wrapped. I'm just going to take out one so we can see and keep the video moving. Ooh, and they're black. Oh, look it. Got nice little stars on them. Beautiful. Ceramic. Very nicely finished. This will be a great addition. Now I'm going to have to unwrap the other one. See if it has the same pattern on it. Yep. Matching candle holders. Wow. Very nice. That's a great addition. I know lots of people have lots of candle holders, but some of us don't. And I think, oh, there's a few more things in here. Let's do this. It's kind of coming out of the box already. It really wants to come out. Ornate glass tear catcher. In witchcraft, collecting tears can be a useful practice since our tears can be used in spells for letting go and moving on. Angry tears can be used in spells to let go of your anger, and sad tears can be used in spells to ease sorrow and grief or let go of things that hurt you. Use tears to anoint candles and tools, to add to ritual baths, potions, etc. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is beautiful. Oh boy. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Nice stopper. That is so beautiful. I love the pattern on it. It's got a fleur-de-lis, flowers, and then the spiral taper to it. That is gorgeous. Very nice. Well, if you're going to collect your tears, you may as well collect them in something that's beautiful. And our scroll, letting go burial ritual. A powerful ritual to help you let go of the past. And this is the spell itself, so I won't get into that. And for our last item today, smoke cleansing crystal shelf. That's interesting. A unique invention crafted exclusively for our Witch Casket subscribers. Place any crystal, jewelry, amulet, or small item which needs to be cleansed on the upper shelf, lighting your incense cone below. Allow the smoke to cleanse your item of all stagnant or negative energy, and then it would be ready for use. Oh, geez. That is cool. This is a pretty stiff box. Oh, boy. That is incredible. Isn't that pretty? The wood is so nicely finished. Very smooth. It's got a little metal plate there for your incense cone. And as always, you would never leave anything unattended if you had it ignited. And you place your small items here and the smoke would come up through and cleanse it. Wow, beautiful. Well, now this is my third Witch Casket box that I've received. And I am still impressed. This is, pretty well thought out stuff. And the only thing that I have left in the box is the enamel pin. And we have, I believe it's a moth. Very pretty. We've got moons and stars with herbs, and it looks like some constellations embossed into the wings. I like the off-white with just that touch of pale blue. Very cool. The artwork on the card is nice too, so looks like a lunar moth to me. So that's what I'm going to call it for now anyways. So I would like to thank you for joining me today in this late video. I will do some still photos of all the items. Okay, let's quickly go through the book. Letting Go is the theme, and November 2024. And their December casket is always one of the most popular, and they're working really hard. And I did receive the December casket day before yesterday, and I can smell lavender, so I'm really interested to know what's in there. The girl that handed it to me at the post office, she had kind of a funny look on her face. I know she could smell the lavender because it was really super strong. So, and of course, here's our ritual scissors, the tear jar. And I dried some orange slices for the first time this year, and I hung them on the tree, and they are so pretty. When you turn the tree lights on, they're like stained glass almost. Not to mention they make your tree smell really nice. And if you slice them, just blot them with some paper towel, put them on the hanger, hang them on the tree right away. They'll just dry right on the tree. But that's what they look like when they're pretty much dried. Very pretty. So the glass tear catcher, that's the pointed one. this one here. And then we have the smoke cleansing crystal shelf, and that was very nice. I love the finish on it. There's no rough edges or anything. The Letting Go herb blend, magical blend of angelica, dandelion leaf, and lemon balm. And I can smell the lemon balm in it. I grow that in my greenhouse every year. Set of 2 magical spell candle holders. Those are nice, heavy ceramic holders with the star pattern on them. I really like those. Ornate altar scissors. And they're a nice size, and they're nice and sharp. Cord cutting ritual kit. It came with the 2 black candles, the black string, and the instruction card with the artwork. Sandalwood incense cones. Love the smell of sandalwood. Traditional cleansing incense burned to banish negative or stagnant energies. And Witch Casket incense, like all Witch Casket products, contain no artificial fragrance. We believe in the true magical qualities of herbs, flowers, and plants, and there is no substitute for their natural aroma. I keep the peppermint one that we got in the October Witch Casket, and it smells so nice. Every time I need just a little pick-me-up, I grab that and I take a big sniff, and it has its sweet pepperminty smells. Really nice. Amazonite tumbled stone with info card. Amazonite is a gentle stone of truth, compassion, and kindness. It helps you to communicate your truth and soothes tense situations. Amazonite balances the nervous system and encourages you to move forward without fear. And I have a lot of Amazonite, actually. I love it. The color is beautiful, and it just has such a nice energy. Letting Go Burial Ritual Parchment Scroll. And that's a nice one for framing or putting in your book. And mine will be going in my book. Transformation Butterfly Enamel Pin. Now, I kept calling this a moth. And I should have known better, because even this here, it has a butterfly, which is unmistakable. But symbolizing the metamorphosis, our enchanting enamel pin shows a magical butterfly in all its glory. The exclusive pin will add magic to any jacket, bag, hat, or scarf, or enhance any wall display. It's a really nice pin. Letting Go Monthly Manifestation Art Print. And that's the art card. That would be this one right here. So it's a really nice art card. A nice addition to the book. So that is November's Witch Casket. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and like I say, if you have any questions on any of the things you see off into the corners here, put it in the comments below, and I'll answer as best I can. Thank you, and have an awesome day.